Hello everybody. I'd kind of like to show you a neat little toy we've been playing with here. This is actually a scope adapter for cameras or a phone. In this example, I've got my little iPhone hooked up to it. It allows you to take photos or videos through your rifle scope. And we've been kind of playing around with that, trying to get some actual scope footage. Nice little adapter here. You can see it's pretty well adjustable for just about any size phone you have, or a small pad. Has a quick release base on there that comes off, and different positions to adjust this thing with. The adapter that goes on the scope is basically set up on there. It even has some pretty fine adjustment to get your focusing properly. The phone I use is not a very good phone, and I really don't get good quality video out of that phone, so that's all I've got to use for now. The kit also comes with adapters for cameras. I've got different adapters here of different sizes. I've got different threads on there that you can actually screw to the front of your camera and then hook onto the scope, and actually have a camera mounted on there that you can perhaps do some video with, or for some stills. The adapter mounts on it pretty easily. It has a little plastic or hard plastic spaces in there for your different size scopes, and it's done in such a way that it won't mar up your finish on your scope. And those adapters go from 35 to 43 millimeter, so you got a pretty good size selection of what size scope you use in there. Kit also comes with some extensions for your cameras if you're needing to space it out even more, to get the proper focal length, I guess. But that's one of the little goodies we've been playing with to try to get some footage. Snug it up. Throw your phone adapter on there. Throw your phone in there. Of course, you have to line it up to get the right focal point looking down your phone there. That's part of the problems I've been having, is not lining it up right. And pretty much there you go, you're in action. Activate your video and fire away. think I see the bullet hole. Can't quite make out that next one. Well, these fine crosshairs are hard to see on this phone. Cool deal. 5 shots. Here's that target I shot with the phone on my scope. Trying to shoot a group. The ammo I use for goofing off is this Hornady match. It's a steel jacketed match, and it's not very accurate stuff, not to me. So I use it when I'm playing around with stuff like this. I actually shot this shot right there, shot number 6. You can see there's 5, but shot number 6, I shot that one after I took the phone off there. I just wanted to shoot one through the scope to see where it was kind of grouping, but you can see how consistent that ammo is not. So I just basically use it for sighting in or warming stuff up. We've been kind of playing around with scope camera stuff for a while. I actually kind of like this this one from Fotodiox. That was only like $60 from Amazon, so that wasn't a bad deal. It seems to be rigid enough and everything. But we've tried other things over the past. Even have a Picatinny mount for my GoPro. That works kind of good as long as you're close, because you're going to see a whole lot. The best thing it would be actually is to get a scope that does recording built in. So something like that, that's one of our little night vision scopes, but something like that's probably the best way to go for what we're trying to do. Because when you've got a phone mounted on there, you can't really shoulder the weapon and see in the phone real good. So we just keep striving along, and we'll get something figured out one of these days.